Hello everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Brian in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-447 hpc2. Brian got all ready to go for you. Electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit and receive, final upgrades, all the audio and power mods, full tune alignment, upgraded your power cable here. I'll show you what it's doing here. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Looking at 5 watts here all the way down. Plenty low if you decide to run an amp, because this is going to need like a 6 pill or something. If you want to run just the radio, run the RF power wide open. There's 21 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Low 80 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Low 140 PEP. All right, Brian, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum bum.